I always give is Mmadu and mmaku. So Mmadu is the word for human being, and mmaku is the word for hugging. So you see that the words are very, very similar, Mmadu and mmaku. So you have to know that for you to be a human being, you have to be hugging. It's very simple. There's a strong relationship for that. And in the modern world, when we talk about hugging, we tend to talk about it in terms of chemical terms. We talk of oxytocin, we talk of endorphins. We talk about these hormones and these compounds in chemical terms because the science is chemistry-based, biochemistry, etc. But one thing I want to tell you about hugging is that it is what makes you a human being. It's so good for your heart, so good for your health. And a human being is somebody who is caring,